Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Galxe, complete Web3 quests and rewards step by step clearly. To begin the login process for Galxe, open your web browser. In the address bar, type www.galxe.com and press enter. Once the Galxe homepage loads, look for the login button, usually found in the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to a new page where you can choose your preferred login method. Options may include connecting a crypto wallet or logging in with your email. If you choose to use a crypto wallet, click on the wallet icon and follow the prompts to connect. Ensure your wallet is set up and has sufficient funds for any potential gas fees. If you prefer the email option, enter your email address and password in the provided fields. After entering your details, click the login button. If you opted for email login, check your inbox for a verification email. Follow the instructions in the email to complete the login process. Once logged in, explore the dashboard to view various quests available to you. Select a quest that interests you and click on it for more details. Follow the instructions to complete the quest and earn rewards. Keep track of your progress in the Quests tab of your dashboard. Return to the home page anytime to discover new quests and rewards available. Your login will remain active unless you choose to log out manually. Now you're ready to dive into the world of Web3 quests on Galxe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.